bro, it's only Burna boy that has my type of Ferrari. Only Burna boy. That's my type of Ferrari out of all these artist people. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Show him my watch, mama.
You buy car, you dey press. Should you third you late? You get car, family dey suffer. Onjaye foreign in local. Away, should you third you late? My worry, I'm a
Abeg my pipo, na wetin zinoleesky do Portable. Person buy car, allow him to flex his own car now. Popular Nigerian controversial Afro-pop street singer Habib Okikiola, who is better known as Portable, has lambasted his colleague in the music industry, Zinoleesky, for buying a new car, Lamborghini to be precise. Portable dragged the young singer for buying the Lamborghini Aventador when his family are still suffering, wallowing in hunger. Looking at this controversial comment from Portable, one may be forced to ask if Portable has settled all his family members, because he himself recently acquired a new G-Wagon, which cost millions of naira. Portable, who has kept himself away from the online fight that has been going on between Zinoleesky and Seyi Vibe, could not pretend anymore, as he decided to join the beef, showing them that he was not called controversial singer for nothing.
You buy car, you dey press. Should you third you late? You get car, family dey suffer. Onjaye foreign in local. Away, should you third you late? My worry, I'm a love. They no get level, wọ́n ti gbàgbé lé. You get car, family dey suffer. Àwọn tó bí wọn bẹ́ ní kọ́nà, ajé wọn sọ́fà ní kọ́nà. Wèrè ó ti gbàgbé lé, ó fi last card ra mọ́tò, kò mọ̀ pé tí Fọlárìn bá fi last card ra mọ́tò, tepo bá tán nínú mọ́tò Fọlárìn, ajé ó máa padà Fọlárìn. Á fẹsẹ̀ rìn. Ó máa fẹsẹ̀ rìn ní because kò Bọ́lájí. Má wọrí, it's Bọ́láyan káàtì Bọ́láyan.
Set on Burna Lawa. It's only Burna boy that has my type of Ferrari. Only Burna boy. That's my type of Ferrari out of all these artist people. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Show him my watch, mama. Don't play with me.
The fight between Zinoleesky and Seyi Vibe has been going on, as the two talented upcoming artists are continuously contending on who is the most extravagant, the best tune, and numerous different things both boast about. In the recent rant, Zinoleesky was seen trying to dish out a sarcastic advice to Seyi Vibe. He posted, "Seyi K, go back to your normal style, then come back and talk to me." In a swift reaction, Seyi Vibe responded by saying, "Talk to me when you can afford my house, slave." Hence, why many believe Zinoleesky bought the car to prove a point to Seyi Vibes. Many Nigerian fans who saw the video of the new car bought by Zinoleesky were convinced that he had something to do with his fight with Seyi Vibes, which Portable has decided to join. Going further, Portable slammed Zino that he used all his money to buy a car he does not particularly need. He also noted that instead of the many road kroner to take care of his parents, he was wasting his money on frivolous things. Wahala. Funny enough, after all the ranting, Portable went ahead to post his newly acquired G-Wagon, boasting about it.
The enemies go dey count days, we will go dey count success. And money speak only one language. If you save me today, I save you tomorrow. Kí ni máa fàjà, kí ni máa go for Ẹ̀ka of Africa. Ambassador ni mí, kí ni máa buying and selling. unique mọ́tò má wọ̀ọ́rì ṣáàrà mọ́tò tó dáa tó yọ̀ ọ̀nà má lọ gbogbo ọ̀nà náà la máa ń gbé mọ́tò tiwa gbà. Can you bring your motor come changes? Mọ́tò ní kété máa ń rà yẹn iná sí màmá tó ń sá.
Portable is really controversial. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Let's know your opinion on the comment section. Bye.
Ambassador ni mí kí ni máa buying and selling.